In a world where product catalogs stretch for miles and every valve looks the same, one hero embarks on a journey to find a single part number before lunchtime. Faced with endless options, cryptic codes, and coworkers who respond only with shrugs, desperation sets in, hope fades. Until now, introducing the AGF Part Number Finder tool, the ultimate weapon in your fire protection arsenal. With just a few clicks, filter by model, size, trim, and features, and unlock the exact part number you need. No more guessing. No more flipping. No more flipping out. Streamline your search. Simplify your day. Impress your boss. And maybe save the world. AGF. We make the parts and the tools to find them.